Did you know you are spending way too much on your YouTube Premium subscription? Well, in this video, I have a solution that will save you a lot of money, so keep watching. Getting a YouTube Premium subscription has lots of benefits, such as watching videos without ads and the ability to play videos in the background even when the screen is off. But it's not cheap. First, to subscribe to YouTube Premium, all you have to do is open YouTube app on your phone and click on your personal photo that's on the top right corner of the screen. And here you can find Get YouTube Premium. If you click on it, you'll see that the YouTube Premium subscription will be $15.99 per month. That's a lot. I'll show you how to get it cheaper. If you install a VPN like NordVPN, and you'll find the link for the download in the description below, you can change your location to any place around the world. The trick here is to change your location to Turkey, where YouTube Premium subscription costs only $1.51. That way you'll save a lot of money each year.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.